Division of multinomial by a binomial. Okay, so to divide the given multinomial by a binomial, so same siya ng process in dividing 2 digits. Okay, and 3 digits. Let us review first how to divide the given numbers. Okay, first we need to write the given using this pattern. 736 divided by 23. Di ba ganyan na ang ginagawa kapag 2 digits na ang ating divisor? Step 1, divide the first digit to the given divisor. 7 divided by 23. Can be, cannot be. Yung 23 kayang i-divide sa 7? No. So pag ganyan, what we're going to do? Proceed to the 2 digits. Okay, 73 divided by 23. Ilan kayang 23 meron sa 73? Very good, 3. Ilalagay si 3 sa taas na po ni 3. Then, after that, after division, anong next operation? Multiplication. Let's find the product of the answer and the divisor. 3 times 23. 69. Then, anong next nga? Anong operation susunod? Minus, subtraction naman. Subtract 73 to 69. 73 minus 69. 4. What is the next step?
Bring down.
Very good. Bring down. So, ito yung susundin natin yung apat. Okay, bring down 6. Then, same procedure, nag-bring down na tayo. Balik ulit tayo dito. Divide. 46 divided by 23. 2. Multiply naman. 2 times 23. 46. Subtract naman. 46 minus 46. May i-bring down pa ba? Therefore, this is the answer, 32. Now, how to check if your answer is correct? Just multiply. Para malaman natin kung tama yung sagot, i-multiply natin yung divisor sa answer natin. This will become 23 times 32. Get the product. 2 times 3. 2 times 2. 3 times 3. 3 times 2. Then add. 6. 9 plus 4. 13. Carry 1. Kailangan nyo makuha natin yung sagot equal sa dividend. Tama ba? Ibig sabihin, tama si 32. So, kung ano yung process na ginawa natin dito, ganun din po yung process na gagawin natin in dividing trinomial and binomial. So, this time, let us try an example. Ready to listen? Sige, if you are ready, sit properly. Okay, so first step, we need to write the given using this pattern. Yung nasa loob, yung nasa numerator, which is the dividend. So, this will become x squared plus 7x plus 12. Then, yung nasa labas, yung ating divisor. Okay, this is x plus 3. Step 1. What is the first operation? Divide. So, what we're going to do? Divide the first digit, the first term, sorry. Divide the first term of the given trinomial to the first term lang, anak. First term to first term. I-divide natin siya. This will become x squared divided by x. How to divide? Identify if they have the same variable. They have the same variable? Yes. What we're going to do, copy the variable, then subtract the exponent. 2 minus 1. Or just simply imaginary 1. What is the answer? X. Si x, susulat natin sa taas ni x squared. Tapos na tayo mag-divide. Anong next step? Multiply. So, i-multiply natin yung sagot. Saan po? Sa divisor. Multiply natin yan. Apply distributive property. X times x. X squared. Next, x times 3. 3x. So, yung sagot, susulat natin dito sa baba. This will become x squared plus 3x. Nag-multiply tayo. Anong next operation? Subtract na natin ito. Okay, remember anak, sa subtraction of integers, nag-a-apply tayo ng cha-cha kapag may negative sign. The question is, may negative sign ba dito? Wala. Okay, at pangalawa, kapag mas mataas yung subtrahen kesa sa minuend. Kaya ba natin i-subtract directly si 7? Babawasan ng 3, kaya ba? Meaning hindi natin i-apply si cha-cha. Proceed na agad tayo sa subtraction. 7 minus 3, 4. Then bring down x. X squared minus x squared. Okay, 3 minus 3. 4 minus 4. Di ba parehas yun? Ito, x squared minus x squared. 0 or just simply cancel. Then bring down 12. O, tapos na tayo. Balik ulit tayo sa umpisa. Divide what? Divide the first digit to the first digit of the given binomial. First digit lang ha, sa division. O, let's divide 4x and x. O, cancel what? X. O, anong natira?
4.
What is the sign of 4?
Positive.
O, dito natin ilalagay si positive 4. O, natapos na tayo mag-divide. What's next?
Times.
Multiply. Multiply what?
4.
4, kanino? X plus 3. Apply distributive property. 4 times x. 4x
4x.
plus 4 times 3. 12. O, sulat na natin dito. 4x plus 12. O, what's next? Subtraction. O, subtract. 4x plus 12 minus 4x plus 12. O, 0. May bring down pa ba? O, therefore, what is the answer? Okay, x plus 4. O, how to check if your answer is correct? Okay, multiply. So, since binomial to, the easiest way is the vertical method. O, gamitin natin si vertical method. Let's find the product of x minus 3 or x plus 3 times x plus 4. O, vertical form tayo ha. 4 times 3. 12. What is the sign? Positive times positive? Positive. 4 times x? 4x. Next, x times 3? 3x. X times x? X squared. Then get the sum. Bring down. 4 plus 3? 7. Bring down x. Then x squared. O, check. Parehas po ba yung dividend? Okay, therefore the answer is correct.